Welcome to InSightOut. Prepare for a spine-tingling adventure as we explore the 10 most venomous animals in the world. From deadly snakes to cone snail, join us to uncover the captivating secrets of venomous wonders that lurk in the wild. Most venomous spider in the world, funnel web spider. Sydney funnel web spiders and tree-dwelling funnel web spiders, both in the family Atracidae, are among the most poisonous spiders in the world. Their bites can kill if not treated, and they often run into people, so we chose them as the most dangerous spider. Both are about the same size and come from Australia. Female bites aren't harmful to people, but male bites can make people unable to move. If you don't treat them, they can even kill you. Venomous funnel webs stand up on their back legs and show their fangs when they feel threatened. If the threat doesn't go away, they will bite their targets up to 28 times, and the symptoms usually show up within an hour. The first injection can be very painful and make you twitch and feel disoriented. Most venomous jellyfish, box jellyfish. The most poisonous animal in the world is the box jellyfish. After being stung, death can happen in minutes. There are 51 kinds of box jellyfish, and 4 of them are very poisonous. These are Chironex fleckeri, Carukia barnesi, Malo kingi, and Chironex yamaguchi. Since 1883, when people started keeping track of deaths caused by box jellyfish, hundreds of people have died because of them. About 20 people die from sting complications every year in the Philippines alone. The bodies of box jellyfish are about 8 inches long, and their tentacles are 10 feet long. The majority of individuals have 15 tentacles on each corner, and each tentacle has about 500,000 injectors that release poison. That is, a single box jellyfish has about 30 million poisonous stingers. Most jellyfish stings are not too bad, which is a relief. But sometimes people use full loads, and the unfortunate victims can die in a matter of minutes. Most venomous snake in the world, saw-scaled viper. The eastern diamondback rattlesnake is the most poisonous snake in North America. The most poisonous snake in the world is the saw-scaled viper, which is also called a carpet viper. The genus Echis includes these slithering killers, which live in Africa, India, the Middle East, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. But trust us, you don't want to run into one because their bites are extremely painful and sometimes even kill. Echis is the snake that has killed more people than any other. In their native areas, the genus kills more people than all the other snakes in the area put together. Saw-scaled vipers kill a lot of people and cut off a lot of limbs. The females of this species are twice as poisonous as the males, and their deadly serum is a mix of neurotoxins, cardiotoxins, hemotoxins, and cytotoxins, which attack the nervous system, heart, blood, and cells, respectively. Saw-scaled spiders move sideways and are between 1 and 3 feet long. They live in places that are dry and hot. Those have brown, gray, or orange skin, dark patches on their backs, and heads that look like pears. Most venomous insect in the world, Maricopa harvester ant. There are 26 different kinds of harvester ants, and many of them are harmless and used in ant farms. But most people agree that the Paganomyrmex maricopa, also known as the Maricopa harvester ant, is the most poisonous insect on Earth. Maricopa stings are 35 times more dangerous than those of western diamondback rattlesnakes and 20 times more dangerous than honeybee venom. If a group of Maricopa harvester ants wants to kill a person, they can do so with several hundred bites. Most of the time, though, victims are able to get away before that happens. Even so, many people feel a lot of pain after an attack that lasts for 2 to 8 hours. Only 1 to 3 months pass in the life of a Maricopa harvester ant. They live in Arizona, California, Colorado, New Mexico, Nevada, Texas, Utah, and Baja California, Chihuahua, Sinaloa, and Sonora, which are all in Mexico. Even though the number of Maricopa is good right now, myrmecologists who study ants say that the population is going down. Invasive species like red fire ants and Argentine ants are moving into Maricopa territory. Most venomous animal in the world to humans, inland taipan snake. The venom in one bite from an inland taipan snake is enough to kill 100 adults. By amount, It is the most dangerous animal to humans in the world. Aboriginal Australians call these 6 to 8 foot long snakes Dandorabilla. They are fast, accurate, and each bite gives off a little poison. There is good news though. Land taipan snakes are shy away from people. They do everything they can to avoid us. Because they don't like people, scientists couldn't find enough of them to study between 1882, when they were first found, and 1972. Also, inland taipans usually sleep during the day and only come out at night. Most venomous scorpion in the world, Indian red scorpion. Indian red scorpions are the most poisonous of all scorpions. They have small pincers, fat tails, and big stingers. Reports of deaths range from 8% to 40%, and children are most likely to die from Indian red scorpion venom. Indian red scorpions live in India, Pakistan, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. They are about 5 to 9 centimeters long, and most of them don't live more than 5 years. They like to live in tropical and subtropical areas, and they are often caught for research and the illegal pet trade. After an attack, people may start to vomit, sweat uncontrollably, tremble, or even pass out. But the poison from the Indian red scorpion is not all bad. Scientists think that the serum could lead to improvements in medicine that would make it easier to treat cancer and malaria. Most venomous mollusks, cone snail. Cone snails are the most unassuming poisonous animals in the world. They live in large numbers in the waters of the Indo-Pacific. Don't be fooled, though. These mollusks may be the couch potatoes of the sea, but they're dangerous. There are about 900 species of cone snails, and their taxonomy has been changing for about a decade. But scientists agree that cone snails are among the most poisonous sea creatures that are still alive today. Cone snails that aren't very big aren't dangerous to people, but ones that grow to nearly 10 inches can be. Cone snail stings can be hard to treat because the stingers are like hypodermic needles that deliver the poisonous serum with great accuracy. Most venomous lizard, Mexican beaded lizard. There are a lot of Mexican beaded lizards in the forests of Mexico and Guatemala. They weigh about 2 pounds, or 800 grams, and they use their pink forked tongues to smell. They are also the most dangerous to humans of all lizards. But lizards aren't usually much of a danger to people. Even though Mexican beaded lizards have the most dangerous venom of any lizard species, they have only killed a few people in all of history. The glands in the lower jaw of Mexican beaded lizards make a poisonous serum. When the reptile attacks, it chews on its victims to make sure it gets a hole through the skin. But the good news is that Mexican beaded lizards rarely attack people and rarely kill them when they do. Most venomous mammal, platypus. The platypus, also known as the duck-billed platypus, is the most dangerous mammal to humans. Even so, they don't pose much of a danger to people. Few mammals, like lizards, can inject humans with venom that does a lot of damage. Male platypuses use spurs on their legs to shoot venom. It's enough to kill dogs and cats, but not people. Still, a bite from a platypus is nothing to laugh at. They hurt and can make you temporarily unable to do anything. They can also make you more sensitive to pain in the long run. The semi-aquatic mammals that lay eggs live in eastern Australia, and scientists today see them as a link to the distant past in terms of evolution. But scientists have not always been interested in duck-billed swimmers. When European naturalists first saw a dead platypus, they thought it was fake news and said the fake sample was made from parts of different animals. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun and interesting facts about the world we live in. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And if you have any suggestions or topics you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.